Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start with our maths course book 1A. Topic is shapes. Let's open up to the page number 110, 110. Alright, there was a slight change in the this page previously. I have given you the corrected picture, the screenshot, the attachment. Hope you all have gone through it and corrected. Yeah. All right. Let's get back to page number 110. Please draw a straight line on top here and write down today's date. That is 16 October 2020 2020. So make sure you draw a straight line and write the date completely. You do not need to write Friday, just write today's date. Alright, after you are done with that, okay, let's start. What shape comes next in each pattern and why? We are continuing to do the patterns. So, there are two yellow squares, rectangle, red rectangle here. They have different shapes, okay, that is a square and a rectangle, and different size and color. Alright, colors are yellow and red, sizes are squares are smaller compared to the rectangle. So two squares rectangle, two squares rectangle, two squares rectangle, two squares, but unfortunately there is only one square. So what is after the one square? There should be a second yellow square. That's correct. So I want you to circle this. You need not to draw. Just circle the correct answer. They give you two options. That is red rectangle or a yellow square. So your answer is yellow square. So circle the yellow square. Good. Well done. Now let's go to B. There are triangles. Here all the patterns are in the same shape, that is triangle, but the difference is they have different size as well as color. So this pattern has different size and different color, but the shape is the same, that is a triangle. Big triangle, small triangle, big triangle, big triangle. Now big triangles are of two different colors, purple and orange. So let me use the colors instead of the big triangle, small triangle. Okay, so orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue. Next is, yes, big orange triangle. So circle this answer, circle it. I should be able to see the circle. Good. And you should be able to see the circle when you draw it out. Now let's go to letter C. That is, here the shape again is the same, okay, but here the size is different and color is different, just like the triangle. But these are all rectangles. There are red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow. Now the next question is, if it is a yellow, which yellow is it? Is it a standing yellow or a sleeping yellow? You got to look at it. So after the red comes the standing yellow. Every time after the red next is the standing yellow. So circle the standing yellow here. Alright, good. Now let's go to letter D. Alright, here you have different size, different shape and different color. Two different colors, that is blue and yellow. Shapes, circle and triangle. Okay, size, circle is small and triangle is tall and big. Okay, now let's follow the pattern. Oh, there are two triangles, yellow triangle and a blue triangle. Okay, so yellow circle, blue triangle, yellow circle, yellow triangle, yellow circle, blue triangle, yellow circle. Now you look at this alternative. They are not changing the circle because the circle is of a standard size, same size and same color. It's only the triangle. Triangles are also same size, but it has been upside down and they have different colors. So first one is a blue, then is a yellow, then blue, then comes yellow, then comes blue, then comes yellow. After the yellow triangle, the trick here is what comes after the yellow triangle? Does the blue comes in or the yellow circle? Correct, the yellow circle. So circle the yellow here. Draw a circle around the yellow circle. Alright, once you are done with this, let's go to page number 111. Okay, no need to write the date, nothing to write, we just continue. Now look at the pattern. Here also you have to look at the pattern on each object. This is a cylindrical object, this is a square object, and this is a rectangular object. What shape comes next in each pattern and why? Alright, the patterns are over here. If you look very carefully, yellow triangle and pink triangle. Again, you will have to draw a yellow and a pink triangle looking alike like this. Okay, then next is a square. Okay, in a square card, on a square card, they have a pattern. Square has 4 corners, right? So in the 4 corners, they have blue boxes, blue squares. One here, one here, one here. Here is missing. What is missing here? Blue square. So please draw a blue square over here and color it. It should look like this. When you draw here, the pattern should look like this. Next, come to the rectangle box. You can see the pattern here. Red triangle, red circle, blue triangle, blue circle, red triangle, red circle, blue triangle, blue circle, red triangle, red circle, blue triangle, blue circle. So draw a blue circle around this. Okay, so you have completed this. Now about this activity, you don't need to do it. We don't need to do it because I will be showing you what you have to do in your exercise book. Okay, so for now you flip to page number 112. It looks like this, 112. Alright, now it's a fun with maths. It's a shape detective. You have to become a detective. You have to think smart. Alright, they will give you clues. You need to find out. Now, do you know what color each shape is? How will you know what color each shape is? You need to read the instructions given, the clues given. You see, they have given you a clue. They have given you 2 clues, not a clue, they have given you 2 clues. What is the first clue? It says green is between red and yellow. Green is the between. What do you mean between? Between means in the center. So out of these 3 shapes, which shape is in the center? Yes, the square is in the center. But they did not say square is green. They say green is between red and yellow. If it is in between, this is the shape which falls in between. Alright, and this is which color? This is green color. I'm going to write the word green, but you have to use a green color pencil. Okay, green pencil to color it. Shade it green. What do? You shade it green. Okay, then. Now, first puzzle is solved. What about the second one? It says the circle is not red. So, out of this 2, this is the circle. It is not red. Then what is it? It has to be a yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. You don't have to write the name of the color. You have to quickly take your color pencil, yellow color, and shade it yellow. Nicely shaded yellow inside. Okay, and then of course this is the last one. So yellow, red, yellow, green and red. They say green is between red and yellow. We found the yellow, so definitely this is red. Take your red color pencil and color it red. Don't use orange here, please. Okay? Alright, so as I'm teaching you on the video, I will not be able to give you more time to sit and color. So what you do is quickly take out these colors and just put a mark. They just put some yellow color this way like this. So that you will remember that circle is a yellow, then take your green color and shade this much. So you'll remember later you color it green and you color this red. Okay, now let's continue with letter B. Alright, there are now 4 shapes. First we solved the puzzle of 3 shapes. Now we are going to solve the puzzle of 4 shapes. What are the 4 different shapes? It's a rectangle, circle, square and a triangle. Very good. So now the first clue here, we have 3 clues. They have given us 3 clues. We have to follow the clue. Then only we can get it. Here they say yellow is between red and green. Now it's very tricky because there are four shapes. If they say in between, then circle and the square falls in between the rectangle and the triangle. So the first one is not very helpful. It says yellow is in between red and green, but I don't know which one is yellow because in between there are 2. Now, blue is next to green. They say blue is next to green and then the triangle is not blue. So for sure, triangle is not blue. So which is the color they have mentioned? They have said yellow, red and green. So yellow is between red and green. Red and green. Yellow is between, because they said this is not, triangle is not blue. So high chances are this is red. Just wait. We are just solving. Okay. So this is, if supposedly this is red. Okay. Then which one? Blue is next to green. Now we have red. We don't have blue, yellow and green. They say blue is next to green. Blue is next to green. Blue is next to green. Yellow is between red and green. Yellow is between red and green. So, what's going to happen? They say yellow is in between red and green. So, this is red. In between red and green is yellow. Okay, so this is green. So let's read the first one. Yellow is between red and green. Okay, so next one, blue is next to green. So blue is standing next to green. The triangle is not blue. Yes, we have solved it. So you have to do it step by step and understand. Okay, so number 1, they say yellow is between red and green. Okay, so in between, I don't know which one. I am not going to do that. Then I'm going to look at blue is next to green. So I will remember blue will always come next to green. So which shape I have to find out. Then the triangle is not blue. This is very helpful. When they say triangle is not blue for sure, then I can think of green and red because yellow is in between. So I can play like this. I can understand this way. So you also have to think smart. Okay. So once you are done with this, make sure you color. Don't write the name of the color. I want you to use the color pencil to color it. Yellow, red, blue and green. Okay. Once you are done with this, I want you to open up your maths exercise book 1, the small exercise book. Hope you all remember your small exercise blue book. Yes, exercise book 1, not book 2, book 1. Now, as you open the book, I want you to look at this very carefully. Yes, I will definitely share the picture with you guys. Okay, for you I will send an attachment what to do, but I'm going to give you a rough idea of how to do it. Okay, and I have done it in an exercise book for you to have a view of it, a clearer view of it. Okay, all right, as you can see here now, this is your maths exercise book page. You got to open the book. Okay, then what do? You write, you draw the blue line. 1 second. All right, you draw the blue line. Okay, and then you write Friday, chapter 7, 16 October 2020. Then you write the word, the heading shapes. What do you write? You write shapes. Then I want you to write letter A outside the red line. Okay,